Morning, folks. It's Thursday. We find ourselves 3 trading days out from the U.S. presidential election. And if yesterday was any indication, things are getting very, very interesting. So yesterday, equities get crushed. Across the board, the market just gets crushed. Dow Jones down nearly 1,000 points, and it's the worst day we've seen, or at least the biggest downdraft we've seen since we found ourselves in the thick of the market volatility back in the early pandemic days. Now, leading into the open today, we saw the Dow Jones trading up in a bit of a relief rally, up triple digits. We've since come off and are now flat heading into the open. So we're seeing that weakness creep its way back in. Now, before the bell rings, 2 big economic calendar events. One, third quarter GDP due out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Expectation that number's going to come in around 32% growth. Great number, big number, and negates the really bad number we saw back in the second quarter. But is it taking, or is it an accurate enough picture of what's really going on right now? That's the question traders are asking. So we'll be curious to see how they react to that number when the announcement comes out. Also have initial jobless claims coming out at the same time. And we also are in the thick of earnings and a slew of corporate earnings due out today. Now look at some of these other markets. FX, seeing that dollar firm up with this weakness in the market. Euro dollar trading around 1.17, pound dollar trading around 1.29. Oil has been where, really over the past 2 days, is where a lot of the action's been. Down another 4% in the overnight session, now below $36 a barrel in WTI. So there's a lot of opportunity out there, folks, across multiple markets. Things are really getting interesting heading into the election next Tuesday. Let's go out there today. Let's get after it. And I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow.